Send personalized emails from your Gmail account. Make your contacts feel special with individual message for each. Get information about your letter opening at real time. How to work with it. First, you need to add a client's email addresses to a column in the spreadsheet I just pasted now. Then write subject and text for email. It can be a plain text, but I want to use more complicated variant. I add a little HTML tag named strong to make client name bolder. And now I concatenate sheet variables inside my plain text using concatenation symbol ampersand. That's all, my mailing data is ready and personalized. Run SES menu from extensions. And check emails previews. As you see, a contact name in my preview is bold. It's because of strong tag wrote before. That's not all. At the settings menu, you can change language to Ukrainian or Russian, select more beautiful mailing template and so on. Little more about templates. Empty will let you message in same way as it was in basic Gmail. Pretty will create your message with little more beauty. And of course we can add template with any personalization which you need. At the end, I want to show how works a mail opening tracking.